welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw doodle bones from Wrongside Outimals Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. And don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting the head in half. So we're going to start further over on the left, drawing in a straight line for the zipper here. Let's come down now, lining that up at the exact same width and replicating that again, extending this all the way across, ending that at the same width as well. Now from here, let's close that off. So on the left-hand side, pulling that up, and then we'll do that as well on the right, connecting that together. Let's draw another straight line across, so right in the middle. Now from the center, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, curving those up slightly. We'll continue this as we come out on both sides. Again, stepping over, replicating that. Moving across again, leaving an even gap. Again, moving over. We're just going to continue to do this until we reach the side. And then one last time. Now let's come across and we're going to draw in the zipper. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the top and bottom. And then we'll just draw in a little circle right in the middle. Now on the top and bottom, just drawing in a diagonal line coming out. And then we're going to flatten this out, pulling these lines in towards each other. Now from here, we're basically just going to draw in a sideways letter M. So we're going to draw two straight lines coming up, ending those at the exact same height. And then just two small diagonal lines joining at a point in the middle. Now let's move up. So we're going to start in the center here, curving this line over and across to the right. Let's curve this line out on a diagonal on both sides. Let's close off the top here. So we're going to arch this out, curving this around, curving this all the way through, pulling that down on the right. Now in the center, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up. On both sides here, beside it, we're just going to curve this line through, connecting that at the same height. And then one more time, so from that point here, just curving this all the way through, further towards the top, connecting that together. Let's close off the circle here now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this down on the left. We'll continue to arch this around and down on the right. And now let's imagine our circle comes underneath the zipper here, and we're just going to pull this around and through to the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing coming underneath on the right, blending that back in together in the middle. Let's add in the details now. So we're going to, in the center here for the nose, curve this out, around, and back in the middle. And then from that point, replicating that on the right, curving this around and back up, connecting that together. On either side of this now, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Let's move across, leaving a small gap, replicating that. Again, let's move over, replicating that again. Keep moving across here, curving that over. We're going to do that 2 more times on either side. Now let's come underneath. So we're going to start over on the left and we're going to curve this around and out. We're going to make these slightly longer now. We'll continue this underneath. Let's continue to come across. Just leaving an even gap as we pull this all the way through. We'll draw in one in the center as well on the top, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. Let's continue on the right as we come all the way over to the side. Now let's draw on our eyes. So from the left-hand side, we're going to come up and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height. Now let's draw the cross in the eye. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines joining at a point in the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So we're just going to basically mirror this, flipping it. Now let's draw 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then from here, we're just going to pull another diagonal line coming into the middle. Again, we're going to drag these diagonal lines out on the side. And then again on the bottom, just drawing in another diagonal line coming in towards the middle, leaving a gap. Now underneath, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines joining at a point in the middle, closing that off. Let's come down for the legs now. So leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines, ending those at the same height, leaving a gap. And then we'll step across on the opposite side, dragging that down to the same width there. Now let's close that off underneath with a slight curved line. Let's draw on our arms. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's come underneath and again, replicating that, ending that at the same width. Closing that off on the top with a slight curved line. Now for the thumb here, curving this around and up. And then for the rest of the hand, just curving this around, pulling that back in. And that is it. That's how you draw doodle bones from Wrongside Outimals Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.